Hello student, this is the 7th video of solutions and colligative properties. Today I am going to teach you molar mass of solute from boiling point elevation, and in previous video we had seen boiling point elevation, that is delta TB is equals to TB minus TB0. It means it is the difference between the boiling point of solution and that of pure solvent. And we had seen boiling point elevation delta TB is directly proportional to molality of the solution, and delta TB is equals to Kb into m, and where Kb is ebullioscopic constant, and its definition is ebullioscopic constant. If we are taking m is equals to 1, then ebullioscopic constant is equals to delta TB, and thus ebullioscopic constant is the boiling point elevation produced by 1 molar solution, and its unit is Kelvin kg per mole. Its unit is Kelvin kg per mole. Now we will see the molar mass, how to calculate molar mass of solute from boiling point elevation. So we can start this derivation for molar mass. As we know, delta TB is equals to Kb into m. This is equation 1, where Kb is ebullioscopic constant and m is molality of the solution. Suppose W2 gram of solute dissolved in W1 gram of solvent, then moles of solute is equals to W2 upon W1, and mass of solvent is W1 gram. It is in W1 gram. Mass of solvent is W1 gram, and when it is taken as a kg, then it is equals to W1 upon 1000. It is in kg. Mass of solvent is equals to W1 upon 1000 kg. Then m is equals to, that is molality of solution. M is equals to, what is the formula for molality? Molality is number of moles of solute per kg of solvent. So it is the ratio of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. This is the formula for molality. Molality is equals to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. And we had the quantities, that is moles of solute is W2 upon moles of solute is equals to W2 upon M2, that is molar mass, given mass upon molar mass. So it is W2 upon M2, and upon mass of solvent in kg, and mass of solvent in kg is W1 upon 1000. So divide by W2 upon M2 divide by W1 upon 1000. So it will becomes 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1. This is M, molality. Okay, molality of the solution. Then put this value in equation 1. We get delta TB is equals to Kb into M. Value of M is 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1. This is delta TB, and delta TB, that is boiling point elevation, is depend on the molar mass of solute. It means it depends on moles of solute, number of moles of solute. So delta TB, that is boiling point elevation, is a colligative property, and from this we can calculate the M2. Formula for M2, that is molar mass of solute. Our aim is to find out molar mass of solute. So M2 is equals to Kb upon delta TB into W2 upon W1 into 1000, and this is the formula for molar mass of solute from boiling point elevation. And from this formula, by using this formula, we can calculate molar mass of solute. In board there are so many problems based on this formula. So remember this formula: M2 is equals to Kb upon delta TB into W2 upon W1 into 1000. Kb is ebullioscopic constant, delta TB is boiling point elevation, W2 is the weight of solvent, weight of solute, W1 is weight of solvent, and into 1000. Sometimes they didn't give directly boiling point elevation, they gives the boiling point of solution and boiling point of pure solvent. First we have to calculate delta TB, and then we can calculate M2. Kb is also given, then W2, W1 is also given things, and from this we can calculate M2. Okay, thank you for watching.